What do dogs think when we talk to them? Surprising dog psychology explained. Have you ever caught yourself having a full-blown conversation with your dog and then wondered, do they actually get any of this? You're not alone. Almost every dog parent talks to their furry friend daily, sometimes like they're chatting with a best friend. But what exactly does a dog think when you talk to them? Let's uncover the fascinating truth. Do dogs understand human emotions? Dogs are emotional detectives. They read your expressions, sense your stress, and even respond to your happiness. Studies show that dogs can differentiate between a smiling and frowning human face. When you talk with joy, your dog doesn't just hear it, they feel it. The role of body language in communication. Your words are only half the story. Dogs rely heavily on body cues, pointing, hand gestures, and even posture. Saying, "Come here," while facing away may confuse your dog, while crouching down with open arms sends a clear, welcoming message. Scientific research on dogs. Understanding speech, neuroscientists have scanned dogs' brains to see how they process language. Interestingly, dogs can recognize familiar words and separate them from nonsense sounds. While they don't fully grasp complex grammar, they know when a word is associated with treats, play, or affection. Do dogs recognize their name? Yes. A dog's name is like a personal ringtone. When you say it, they instantly perk up because it signals attention and interaction. This is why consistent name training is so effective. Dogs and emotional words. Some words like walk, treat, ball trigger instant excitement. Why? Because dogs link these words to enjoyable experiences. Over time, repetition creates an emotional memory that sparks joy every time they hear it. Can dogs understand full sentences? No, not in the human sense. Telling your dog, "Hey buddy, can you go grab your toy and bring it to me?" won't make sense unless they know the key word, toy. Context, repetition, and body language fill in the rest of the puzzle for them. Do dogs think we're talking dog language? Not exactly. Dogs don't assume we're speaking their barks, but they do recognize that we're communicating. To them, your talking is part of the relationship, a familiar sound that comforts, directs, and connects. How dogs feel when you talk to them. Talking to your dog builds trust. Your voice can calm them during storms, excite them before a walk, or reassure them at the vet. In their world, your words equal safety and love. Practical ways to talk to your dog. Want your dog to actually listen? Use consistent commands: sit, stay, come. Pair words with gestures. Keep your tone upbeat for praise, firm for direction. Avoid long, confusing sentences. Common misconceptions. Myth: dogs understand everything I say. Truth: they recognize familiar words and tones, but not complex language. Myth: if I talk a lot, my dog will learn faster. Truth: repetition and clarity matter more than word count. Real-life examples of dogs. Responding to talk, ask any dog parent. The moment you whisper walk, dogs come running. Or try saying vet and watch them suddenly disappear. These everyday reactions show that dogs listen closely, even if they don't grasp full conversations. So, what does your dog think when you talk to them? They may not decode every word, but they absolutely understand your tone, emotions, and intent.